Welcome to True Projects. In this video, we are going to discuss the project Web-Based Application Introduction. In the rapidly evolving landscape of online services, the need for robust and multi-layered authentication mechanisms has never been more critical. Our web-based application stands at the forefront of security, providing users with a seamless yet highly secure authentication experience. By integrating the power of email verification, mobile two-factor authentication, and the widely trusted Google Authenticator, we are committed to ensuring that your digital identity remains safeguarded against unauthorized access. As cyber threats continue to grow in sophistication, traditional username password combinations are no longer sufficient. In response to this, our authentication framework goes beyond conventional methods, leveraging the synergy of diverse factors to fortify the login process. This not only enhances the overall security posture but also contributes to user-friendly and efficient authentication journey. The document outlines the key components and principles that constitute our authentication system. From the initial user registration process to the utilization of one-time codes delivered via email and mobile to the added layer of protection afforded by Google Authenticator, our solution is designed to strike the delicate balance between security and user convenience. Objective. The main objective of a web-based application is to incorporate email, mobile and Google Authenticator for authentication is to establish a robust and secure user authentication system that minimizes the risk of unauthorized access and enhances user trust. The project strengthens the security of user accounts by implementing a multi-factor authentication system that combines the reliability of email verification, the convenience of mobile two-factor authentication, and the added layer of security provided by Google Authenticator. The main goal is to establish a secure, user-centric authentication system that not only protects user accounts from unauthorized access but also instills confidence and trust in the overall security of the web-based application. The project also mitigates the vulnerabilities associated with password-only authentication by reducing reliance on traditional passwords. Incorporate additional factors such as one-time codes from mobile services or devices and Google Authenticator to fortify account access. The project designs the authentication system to be scalable, capable of accommodating a growing user base while maintaining high performance standards. This ensures that the system remains effective and responsive as the user community expands. Requirements. We use two types of requirements in this project. The first one is software requirements and the second one is hardware requirements. Coming to the software requirements, we use the programming language Python 3.7.0, front-end framework Django, database MySQL, front-end technologies HTML, CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. Hardware requirements. We use operating system Windows only, processor i5 and above, RAM 4GB and above, hard disk 10GB and above. Methodology. To implement this project, we have designed the following modules. The first module is Sign Up Here module. Using this module, user can enter sign up details and has to enter a valid email and phone number with country code. The OTP will be sent to the email and mobile we will receive in mail and phone. After entering the OTP, we will get random string from PyOTP and we need to enter in Google Authentication. Using Google Authenticator, random string is converted to integer format and provides it as OTP. Then comes the audio file option and we have to select any file to complete the sign up process. The second module is Login Here module. Using this module, user can enter the login details and has to enter valid email and phone number with country code. Again, the OTP will be sent to the email and mobile we will receive in the mail and phone. After entering the OTP, we will get the random string from PyOTP and we need to enter in Google Authentication. Using Google Authenticator, random string is converted to integer format and provides it as OTP. After entering the OTP, then comes the audio file option. Here we have to select the exact audio file which was provided at the sign up process in order to complete the login process. Execution. To execute this project, first we need to open the code folder which contains the project source code file. So this is the code folder. Inside this code folder, we have authenticate folder, authenticate app folder, db file, manage.py file, run.bat file and test files. Coming to the authenticate folder, inside this folder there are Python code files that are intended to be dynamically loaded into the project during runtime. These files serve the purpose of removing duplicates. Authenticate app folder. This folder comprises of 3 more folders, that is static folder, templates folder and Python code files. Static folder contains files related to CSS, JavaScript and Bootstrap. These files contribute to the visual and interactive aspects of the application. Templates folder. Within this folder, we will find all the HTML pages used throughout the project. It includes pages like index.html, home.html and more, representing various sections of the website. Python code files. These files consist of Python code that will be executed during the runtime of the application, supporting its functionality. DB file or database file. This file contains SQL queries that need to be executed within MySQL in order to establish the required database structure. Manage.py file. It is a command line utility that comes with Django. It provides various commands for managing Django projects, including tasks like running the development server, creating database tables, applying migrations, and more. Run.bat file. Instead of executing the program through the command line interface, we have created Windows bat file to execute the project. This file provides an alternative way to execute the project. Coming to the main execution part, when we double click on run.bat file, manage.py file is compiled. In the command line, we can see after running the manage.py file, the Django framework will host the application locally at the default address. This is the local host and this is the port number. Copy the local link and paste it on any of the web browsers. I prefer Chrome. Paste it and type index.html at the end and hit on enter. This is the front end built using Django framework. In this application, we have login here link and sign up here link. Now click on sign up here link. Provide the username, password, email ID and phone number. Here I am providing the username as True Project and password I am going to provide this one. And coming to the email ID, I am providing it as trueproject011@gmail.com. So while providing the mobile number, we have to provide it with the country code. So here I am providing with the country code and now click on submit. So wait for a minute. Here we got sign up verification code has been sent to the mail and phone. So take that OTP or copy that OTP from email and phone and paste it here. I have provided the email OTP and phone OTP. Now click on submit. So here you can see in red color text random string generated. So copy this string and paste it in the Google Authenticator. So click on this edit symbol and click on add account. Click on manual entry, provide the secret code here and now click on OK. So here you can see the OTP within 6 digits. Now copy this one. So copy it and paste it and now click on submit. Here you can see the audio files. We have to choose any one of the files. So I am clicking third one. So by choosing this file, you have to use the same audio file in the login process too. So now click this one. Yes, you can see in red color text, the sign up process has been completed and you can also listen to the music or you can also play the file. So I am clicking here, click to play the file. So this is the audio we have selected. Now click here to stop playing. So the audio has been stopped successfully. log out and click on login here. Provide the same email ID or phone number and also the password. So I am going to provide the same password. If the password is strong, then it will say or it will represent invalid. Okay, click on login. It is taking time, so OTP has been sent to the registered phone and email, so I am going to provide them. So I have provided the OTP and now click on submit. Here you can see the random string. Copy the string and place it again in the same Google Authenticator. So here the code will be generated, and for particular email the authenticator will be same, it doesn't change. So now I'm going to click here. I'm taking this, clicking on S, and again I'm adding, click on manual entry and provide the secret key, and now click on OK. So this is the one, copy it and paste it. So now click on submit. Okay, it has been expired. Again copy it and paste it. So just a minute. So the login has been failed if we provide the wrong credentials or wrong OTP. Now again I am going to provide the email or phone number and password. So I am going to provide the password. So you have to provide the correct password so that you can log in. And now click on login. So OTP has been sent to your registered phone or email. So I am going to take the OTP from my email. So I have provided the OTP and now click on submit. So here we got the Google authentication random string. Now the Google authentication random string, once we have provided in the sign up process, it will be the same and it doesn't change. The OTP only changes for every 30 seconds. So click on this. This is the OTP. So let's wait a second because it is going to expire. So now I'm going to copy the new one. So copy it and paste it. Click on submit. So this is how the login process will be completed until Google authentication. So here we have to select the correct audio file which we have provided in the sign up process. So I have selected the third one or the third audio file. So I am going to click on it. So here you can see audio selection login successful. Welcome the username. This is how the web-based application works, and you can also click here to play file so that you can listen the audio file. So I am going to click on it. So this is how it works, and now click here to stop. So the audio stopped successfully and click on log. This is how the web-based application works, and this is all about the authentication process. And now going back to the conclusion part. Conclusion. In conclusion, web-based application has been meticulously crafted to provide a formidable defense against the ever-present threats in the digital landscape. By integrating a multi-factor authentication system encompassing email verification, mobile two-factor authentication, and trusted Google Authenticator, we have not only evaluated the security standards but also prioritized user experience. The journey through this authentication framework underscores our commitment to user privacy, data protection, and the cultivation of a secure online environment. Through user identity verification during registration, reduced reliance on vulnerable passwords, and the adaptability to emerging threats are the cornerstones of our approach. The system scalability ensures that it remains responsive and effective as our user community continues to grow. As we conclude, our web-based application stands as a testament to the fusion of cutting-edge security practices and user-centric design. We believe that by achieving the outlined objectives, we have not only fortified the defenses of our platform but also empowered our users with the knowledge and tools to navigate the digital landscape securely. Together, we embark on a journey towards a safer and more confident online experience. This is all about web-based application. Thank you so much.
Thank you for watching video. For more projects, please visit our website www.trueprojects.in. For updates on latest project videos, please visit True Projects YouTube channel and subscribe.